Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 8 Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. To change the straps on this watch, first we need to remove the old ones, and to do it you need to grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of your watch you will see that on each strap there's this mechanism that holds the strap to your watch, and this mechanism is basically pull mechanism. You need to pull on it to release it, and it works quite simple way. You just pull on it, it will release the pole that is inside, or rather it blocks the pole on your watch. That's why you can't remove the strap, but if you pull on it, it releases it, and then you can basically slowly, or you should be able to slowly pull out the strap. It's holding harder than I thought. Okay, so I recommend to do it at an angle like this, and it will pop out quite simply. Okay, and here we have our straps and our watch, and this mechanism is right here. Maybe you can see it like this. And how it works is quite simple. You just pull on it and it releases the part that is right here, and you can basically pull out the watch. And once you get new straps and you want to put them on, it's quite simple. You take your strap, put it on an angle like this, push it in, and it will click in, and it will hold. Quite simple. Same for the top one, like this. And here we have our watch with our new straps. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.